Ever wonder why your fried eggs come out with rubbery whites and watery yolks, while restaurant eggs are perfectly set with a creamy center? It's not just about flipping technique. By the end of this video, you'll understand the precise temperature control restaurants use to achieve that ideal fried egg and how you can replicate it at home. The hidden cause of rubbery whites and runny yolks is uneven heat distribution and incorrect pan temperature. Most home cooks crank up the heat too high, too fast. This causes the thin edges of the egg white to cook rapidly and seize up, becoming tough and chewy. Meanwhile, the thicker part of the white, closer to the yolk, struggles to cook through, leaving the yolk underdone or still cold. Restaurants avoid this common fried egg mistake by using a medium-low heat and often preheating their pans meticulously. They understand that gentle, consistent heat allows the egg white to set gradually and evenly, without overcooking. This slow, steady approach also gives the yolk time to warm up and become jammy, without becoming fully solid. You see, the proteins in egg whites coagulate at a lower temperature than the yolks. If the pan is too hot, the whites cook too quickly before the heat can penetrate and gently set the yolk. It's a delicate balance. To fix this at home, start with a cold or barely warm pan. Then add your fat and bring it to a medium-low heat. Crack your egg directly into the pan. This gentle introduction allows the egg to warm up with the pan, ensuring more even cooking. Cover the pan for the last 30 seconds to steam the top of the egg white, ensuring it's fully set without flipping. This simple adjustment prevents the dreaded rubbery white and ensures a perfectly warm, runny yolk every time. Once you master this temperature control, your fried eggs will transform. You'll consistently achieve that restaurant-quality texture, tender whites, and a luscious flowing yolk. This isn't just about cooking eggs, it's about understanding how precise heat management changes everything in your kitchen. If you want to uncover more kitchen secrets that transform everyday cooking, make sure to watch another AMF channel video.